Election Commissioner Shri Rajiv Kumar Ji, the Honorable Election Commissioner Shri Ganesh Kumar, and the Honorable Election Commissioner Dr. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Also on the dais today are senior officials who have been a part of Team ECI in the past 2 years and have played a crucial role in the run-up to the general elections. Namely, Senior Deputy Election Commissioners Shri Dharmendra Sharma and Shri Nitesh Vyas. Also DECs Shri Udesh Kumar, Shri Ajay Bhadu, Shri R.K. Gupta and Shri Manoj Sahu. Another crucial team member has been DG IT Srimati Neeta Verma. Also on the dais is our Joint Director Media, Anu Chandak, who is familiar to most of you here. I am B. Narayanan, DG Media for the Commission. The format is as follows. There will be opening remarks by the CEC along with the presentation. We will share the PDF copy of the presentation with all of you after this event is over. The PC is also being live streamed on X along with the slides and live streamed on our YouTube and Facebook. Following this PowerPoint, there will be a question and answer session. When you want to ask a question, raise your hands. Wait for a chance to be called by me to put your question. I will direct the micer to come to you. When it's your turn, introduce yourself and your organization and then ask your question. I request you to be brief and ask only one question at a time. Please keep your mobiles on silent mode. Sir, I request you to deliver your opening remarks.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Narayanan. Good afternoon, friends. My recently joined distinguished colleagues, let me introduce you to them. Shri Ganesh Kumar Ji on my right and on your left, and Shri Sukhbir Singh Sandhu Ji on my left. Senior officials from Election Commission of India, friends from media, और विभिन्न संचार माध्यमों से जुड़े हुए देश के मतदाता, आप सबको सबसे पहले अभिनंदन, नमस्कार। आप सभी का इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में स्वागत है। As you see, our team is now complete. All three of us are here and we are fully prepared. So now our request is to all the voters to get inked. Please, the entire team in the ECI is ready to ink the voters. Please join us. I think this is the most awaited press conference in this part of the year. We address you at a precious moment when we as a nation are set to reiterate our pledge to electoral democracy, when Indians will together express their will once again. This is a historic opportunity for all of us. By the way, this year also marks a pivotal moment in the global landscape of democracies. 2024 is a year of elections across the world. Over 5 dozen nations and people will vote across the hemispheres, across the date lines. However, India's elections have been like a pole star, both for its quantity and quality, and I'll elaborate it in detail in this conference. दुनिया के सबसे बड़े और सबसे जीवंत लोकतंत्र के रूप में भारत पर सभी का ध्यान केंद्रित रहता है। जहां चुनाव एक त्योहार है जिसमें लोकतंत्र के रंग उभरते हैं और देश के सभी हिस्से उसमें समावेश होते हैं। चुनाव का पर्व, देश का गर्व। Let me say in the very beginning that it is our promise to deliver a national election in a manner that we add to our global shine and remain a beacon for electoral democracies across the world. We are committed to give the nation a truly festive democratic environment. Friends, the term of 17th Lok Sabha is due to expire on 16th June 24. The term of legislative assemblies of Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Arunachal, Sikkim are also due to expire in June 24. जम्मू कश्मीर असेंबली में भी चुनाव ड्यू हैं। We in the Commission understand with all humility at our command, that every election is a new test and failure is not an option. The entire election machinery has been trained on all aspects of election management. I had myself personally interacted with over 800 district magistrates across the length and breadth of the country. We have interacted with the SPs, DMs, commissioners, range IGs, political parties, enforcement agencies in Delhi and also while visiting the states. और पूरी स्टेट्स में इन सबके साथ समीक्षा करने के दौरान और उसके बाद हमें ये विश्वास है कि हम एक यादगार, स्वतंत्र, निष्पक्ष चुनाव एक पर्व के रूप में सबकी भागीदारी के साथ सुनिश्चित कराएंगे। बिफोर आई शेयर द शेड्यूल, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि भौगोलिक, सांस्कृतिक, सामाजिक रूप से विविध इतने बड़े देश में चुनाव कराने के लिए हमने अपने आप को कैसे ओवर द 2 इयर्स पीरियड तैयार किया है। दुनिया के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र के चुनावों में लॉजिस्टिक्स और मटेरियल प्रबंधन ही अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी चुनौती है। तो लेट अस शो यू व्हाट इज द मैग्नीट्यूड बाय विच वी आर डूइंग दिस इलेक्शंस। We have 97 crore registered voters, more than the combined voters of a few continents put together, America, Europe, Australia, all many put together. Over 10.5 lakh polling stations, and कितने लोग उसको conduct करते हैं? 1.5 crore polling officials and security officials conduct those elections. More than 55 lakh EVMs, 4 lakh vehicles, और अब तक हम क्या कर चुके हैं? 17 जनरल इलेक्शंस टू द पार्लियामेंट, 400 से ज्यादा असेंबली इलेक्शंस कर चुके हैं। ये इलेक्शन कमीशन का एक लीगेसी है। 16 प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शंस, 16 वाइस प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शंस, ए ट्रूली गोल्ड स्टैंडर्ड। इट्स ए गोल्ड स्टैंडर्ड इन द एंटायर इलेक्शन मैनेजमेंट।